Looking for an old message without scrolling through hundreds of conversations? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search conversations in Google Messages for web. You'll learn how to quickly find contacts, message threads, and specific conversations right from your computer. First, make sure your Android phone is paired with Google Messages for web. Then open the website in your browser and wait for your conversations to finish syncing. At the top of the conversation list, you'll find the search bar. This feature helps you quickly locate conversations without manually browsing through your message history. Click inside the search box and type the person's name or phone number. As you type, Google Messages will automatically display matching conversations that fit your search. Select the conversation you want from the results. The full message thread will open, allowing you to continue chatting or review earlier messages with that contact. If you don't find what you're looking for, simply delete your search text and try another contact name or phone number, so you can repeat the search as many times as needed. Using the search feature regularly makes it much easier to manage large message histories. Instead of scrolling through dozens of conversations, you can jump directly to the chat you need in just a few seconds. And that's how to search conversations in Google Messages for web. It's a simple feature that can save you a lot of time when you need to find an older conversation or contact. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy technology tutorials, and thanks for watching.